So for problem A, you had three different equations to solve. And solving these equations, the one thing you need to keep in mind is that the equal sign in all of these equations does not mean the answer. The equal sign means the same as. So 9 is the same as what number divided by 3? So that means I need to think, what number could be divided by 3 that would give me 9 as an answer? I know that with division, I can use multiplication to help me. So if I said, well, what is 3 times 9? 3 times 9 is 27. So 27 divided by 3 is 9, and 9 is the same as 9. So in the first equation, 27 would be my answer for S. And I always want to plug it back in, right, to check to make sure that that works, that 27 divided by 3 is 9. Problem number 2 says that 9 times 3 is the same as some number plus 7. Now, if you weren't paying attention, you would have just said, oh, well, 9 times 3 is 27, and then you would have written 27 as your answer. But 27 is not our answer. 27 is the same as what number plus 7? Meaning, what would I need to add 7 onto to get to 27? Well, I know that 20 plus 7 equals 27 because 20 plus 7 is 27. 27 is the same as 27. So in this case, T would be 20. If you put 27 as your answer, please notice the mistake that you made, because if I plug in a 27 right here for T, 27 plus 4, that's 34. That's not 27. So that's why it wouldn't work. You have to plug those in and check the answer. And then the third one, 80 minus 60. Well, 80 minus 60 is 20. Again, 20 is not the answer. If you wrote 20 here, then you did not plug that in, because 20 times 5 is 100. I'm looking for the value of this U. What number could I multiply times 5 to equal to 20? Well, I know that 4 times 5 equals 20. So for this one, U, I think it's 4. Go back and check. If I put a 4 in this equation, what is 4 times 5? It's the same as 20. On problem B, you are to shade the multiples of 2. I'm just going to draw lines of the multiples of 2 because it's just easier than shading. It's not easy to shade with a mouse. But what you should notice is the whole column here, the whole column here, the whole column here, the whole column here, and the whole column here. When you're looking for a pattern, maybe you notice that they're all even numbers. Maybe you notice that in the ones place, it just repeats 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, and then it starts back 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0. Any of those would have been correct.